Good morning, students. Welcome back to St. Joseph's English Medium School, Vijaypur. WhatsApp digital learning classes of 4th standard to the mathematics subject. I am your math teacher, Rafia ma'am. In the last sessions, we have completed lesson number 2's first exercise. Lesson number 2, 6 and 7 digit numbers. There we have completed exercise number 2.1. Understanding the Indian place value chart of 6 and 7 digit numbers. Reading and writing the 6 and 7 digit numbers. These concepts we have understood in the exercise number 1 of lesson number 2. Let us move to the next exercise of the lesson number 2. Lesson number 2, 6 and 7 digit numbers. Exercise number 2.2. In this exercise, we are going to learn writing the 6 and 7 digit numbers in standard form. This concept we are going to complete in exercise number 2.2. So, to understand this standard form of the numbers, let us do the one example. Writing the standard form of number. I'll take one example here, children. The question is given in the word format. That means it has written in the words. So this question we have to write in the standard form. So there are two types of writing the standard form. If it is in the word format, then we have to begin the writing with the biggest place number. If the standard form, if you want to write for the expanded rotation numbers, then we have to begin with ones place, then we have to end with the biggest place. So today, as it is given in the word format, we have to write in the first place, biggest place in the given. So let us draw the first place value chart. This is the shortest method of the writing the place value chart. It is 6 and 7 digits place value chart. So here we are given for the place chart different colors to indicate the periods. As you know, children, 6 and 7 digit place value is having 3 periods, that is lakhs period, thousands period and ones period. The ones period is in pink color, thousands period is in blue color and light green color is in the lakhs period. So now let us write the standard form of the number. As I am telling, the standard form of the number in the words format will begin from the biggest place here. Which is the biggest place here? That is 10 lakhs place. Now in the 10 lakhs place, which digit we are having? 2. So in the lakhs place we are having 1. So let us write the answer. 10 lakhs place 2 and lakhs place 1. This means it is 21 lakh. Now in the thousands place 4, 10,000s place 4 and thousands place 6. This will become 46,000. Now in the ones period, hundreds is 3, tens place 6 and ones place 1. This becomes 361. So totally this number will be read as 21,46,361. This is the method to write the question when it is given in the word format. Let us do one more example. Example number 2, 18,706,000. Observe this question. See, 18,706,000. Which numbers are not given here? Thousands number is not given here. So that's for first we will draw the place value chart. See, in the 18 lakh means we have to write in the 10 lakhs place 1, lakhs place 8. As we don't have any thousands number, what we'll do? We'll place the 0 in the 10,000s place, also in the thousands place. Why? To get the value for the numbers. Next, in hundreds place 7, tens place we don't have any number, so again we have to put the 0. In ones place 6. Now let us write the standard form of this number. 10 lakhs place 1, lakhs place 8, 18 lakh. There is no number in the thousands period, so we have to put the zeros. Why? To get the value. Next, in hundreds place 7, tens place there is no number 0, and ones place 6. So the number is become now 18 lakh 706. This is the method to write the standard form of the number. I think you all understood this concept. Let us solve the, based on this concept, let us solve the exercise number 2.2, question number 1. Exercise number 2.2, question number 1. Write these numbers in the standard form. Now let us, this question is in page number 64. In textbooks, page number 64, this question is there. I am going to give the answer for those questions. See, these are the questions are there in your textbook. In which page, children? Page number 64. So let us write the standard form. These are in the number name format, or it is in the words format. So now let us read the questions. Children, I am again informing you to read the questions with me. Then only you learn to read the number names. 21 lakh 15,470. This is the given question. Let us write in the standard form. 21 lakh 15,470. This is the method to write the answer. Next, B question. 50 lakh 500. See children, 50 lakh 500. There is no thousands period number here. What we have to do? I have shown in the example. We have to insert the zeros. Now let us write the number. 50 lakh. There is no thousand periods number. Let us insert the zeros. Now directly we have to write 500. This is the method to write the answer. Now C question. 78 lakh 9,020. So here 78 lakh. There is no 10,000s number here. So what we have to do? 0 for that. And there is no hundreds number also. There also we have to put the 0. Let us write the answer. 78 lakh 09,020. So totally we read this number as 78 lakh 9,020. Now D question. 1 lakh 18,740. Here there is no 10 lakhs number. The number itself has started from the lakh number. So we have to write directly answer. 1 lakh 18,740. Now E question. 11 lakh 14,078. So here which number we don't have? Hundreds number. So first let us write the answer. 11 lakh 14,000. There is no hundreds number. 0. 78. Next F question. 35 lakh 42,610. 35 lakh 42,610. Question number G. 64 lakh 45,991. 64 lakh 45,991. Next 5 lakh 15,791. Again we don't have any 10 lakhs number. So directly we have to begin with 5 lakh. 5 lakh 15,791. Next last question. I. 10 lakh. So directly we have to write 10 lakh. Then remaining thousands period and ones period, we have to place the zeros. So this is 10 lakh. This is the question number 1, which we have written the answers. Now let us do the question number 2 of the same exercise. Question number 2, exercise number 2.2, question number 2. Tick the correct standard form of these numbers. This question is in the page number 65. Which page? Page number 65. What is the question? Let us first understand the question. Tick means we have to right mark the correct standard form of these numbers. So here, along with the question, answers also given. But in those answers, we have to correct only correct answer. We have to tick correct mark for the only right answer. So let us see the first question. A. 15,51,312. For this question, they are given option 1 and 2nd. They are given 2 options here. Now let us see the options. Let us read the options. When automatically we will come to know which is the correct answer. For question number A, there are 2 options given. Option number 1, I will read the option number 1, 15,15,000. See children, where the question is given 15,51,000, but the option number 1 is telling 15,15,000. This means it is not the correct answer. So let us read the second option. 15,51,312. This is the correct option. So option number 2 is correct answer. Let us put the tick mark. Say like this, we have to put the right mark for the option which is correct. Now read let us put the B question. 39,04,784. 39,04,784. This is the given question. Now let us take the options of this question. These are the 2 options given in the question. So let us check the answer. Option number 1, 39,40,000. It's wrong because they are told only 4,000. So let us read the option number 2, 39,04,784. Here also option number 2 is correct answer. So put the tick mark for option number 2. Now question number C. 7,67,400. What is the question? 7,67,400. Let us take the options. These are the 2 options given here. Now read the first option. 7,67,400. This is the correct answer. Let us also read the option number 2 also. 70 lakh. So it is a wrong answer. Why? The question is 7 lakh. So option number 1 is correct. So put the tick mark for the option number 1. Now let us take the D question. 41,99,173. 41,99,173. Let us take the options. Now read the first option. 41. Oh, see here. The question format, answer format is wrong. Why? Because option number 1 is wrong. The answer number where if you see at the ones period, they have given only 2 digits. But the ones period should consist of how many digits? 3 digits. Yes or no? So option number 1 is wrong. Now let us read option number 2. 41,99,173. So option number 2 is correct answer. So put the right mark. Now let us read the E question. 91 lakh 14,005. 91 lakh 14,005. Let us check the options. So these are the two options given. First options we will read it. 91 lakh 14,005. It's correct. Second option 90 lakh. It's a wrong one. So option number 1 is correct. So put the tick mark for option number 1. Now F question. 90 lakh 9. 90 lakh 9. Let us take the options 1, 2. In option number 1, 90 lakh 9. Here 90. Oh, again this answer format is also wrong. Why? Again in the ones period there are 2 digits only. So option number 2 is wrong. Which is the correct answer? Option number 1 is correct. So this is the questions given in the question number 2. Now children, in your classwork also this question, how to write this question? You have to write the question on the line, and below that question we have to write these 2 options, and which option is correct, for that option you have to mark, right mark darkly. See, as I am showing in the video, no, like this only you have to mark darkly. Why I am insisting you darkly? So that I can see your photocopy in the mobile clearly. So today we have completed exercise number 2.2. Let us see how to write in your classwork. Students, look at this side. How to write in your classwork? Take the page. What you have to do? Lesson number 2, 6 and 7 digit numbers. Exercise number 2.2. See children, I am insisting every time, every video to you, reminding you that write compulsory exercise numbers. Why? Because without writing exercise number you cannot find your answers properly. So compulsorily with a dark pencil you have to write exercise number, also question numbers. Question number 1, write these numbers in the standard form. So like this you have to write all the answers. How to write? You have to draw the chart. There question number A you write 21,15,470. Answer you have to write in the answer column, that is standard form column. Then after writing the answer, draw the dark line, so it shows that A answer is completed. Then you have to write the B question. Then you have to write B question as 50,500,000. Then you have to write the answer also. Then again draw the line. That will show that the B answer is over. Like this, one by one you have to write all the answers in your classwork. In today we have completed which exercise? We have completed exercise number 2.2. You have to write in your classwork also and homework. Why I am telling you to write in both books? Because the maths is practicing subject. How much more you practice, you will become perfect in that. And I am insisting again to you to write with the dark pencil, because many of you sending me the photo of that written classworks. But if you use light pencil, it cannot be seen in the mobile phones. That's why I am requesting you all to use the dark pencil. I can clearly see what you are wrote in your classwork. I hope today the entire concept of this exercise, I hope you all understood this concept thoroughly. What we have learned in this video, today's video? Today we have learned, completed exercise number 2.2, lesson number 2. The next video will be exercise number 2.3. Till the next video, take care children, stay home, stay safe. Thank you for watching the video children. Goodbye and have a nice day.